everyone, Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make football brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 box of brownie mix, and then everything it calls for in the back on the back of the box. So mine is 1/2 cup of oil, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of water. And then you need some white frosting, any kind you like for that, because that's going to be for the laces. Then we need something to make our footballs. I made one of these a long time ago out of I think actually it was a tub of frosting. I just removed everything from it and I cut this little football shape out, and it works great for footballs. And then you're going to need to prepare a baking dish with a 9x13 with foil, and then spray it with cooking spray. So let's go ahead and get started on our brownies. First, we need to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. Alright, we are just going to mix all of our ingredients together. I'm just using a spatula. You could use a mixer if you would like. I'm just going to mix it until it's well blended. Okay, that looks great. I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my pan and bake it for 24 to 26 minutes. Okay, when my brownies came out of the oven, I just let them cool in the pan on the stove for about an hour. And then I just transferred them into the freezer for about 15 minutes. That way, if they're still a little gooey, which mine are, they would still cut into the footballs. And then you basically just take your football and cut it into shapes. So I was able to get 6 footballs. Now I'm going to put the frosting in a Ziploc bag, cut off the tip, and just pipe out the laces. And as you can see, I have all these little brownie pieces left, and trust me, those will not go to waste. Alright, those are all ready to go. So you just pipe on the little laces like that, and there you go. You have little footballs. We'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay.
He's going to try it with a fork because that one's a little gooey.
Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.